Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And let's dive right into the analysis here. So, as you guys can probably tell, we actually had some more downside in Bitcoin today. Let's get on the 4 hour time frames to give you a little bit of a better picture of what's going on here. So, Bitcoin actually did finally dip into my secondary buy area. And oops, I just moved everything. And is going into the lower range of my initial buy area as well. I think that it's still very possible that we go below this initial range here and get into the larger range. And again, this can extend down to 52,000. When I take a look at the daily time frame on Bitcoin here on the daily time frame, you guys can see. Sorry, what did I just say? A daily time frame on the daily time frame. I don't know. I don't know what I just said. The daily time frame on Market Cipher, we haven't confirmed any low in just yet. We are starting to curl, so we are in the process of finding a low. But when we take a look at the dual band strength index numbers, they're still a little bit bearish, not that bad. 4 hour time frame, we are in some red money flow right now. Looks like we're trying to print a green dot here. 1 hour time frame, we've printed a nice solid green dot today on the low right around 60,000. Now we're up $1,800 since then. And is this are we did we just find the low today? I have a lot of members that are signing up for my service right now who are just saying, "Are we in a trade? Are we in a trade? Why aren't we in a trade?" Freaking out because the price has bounced up, right? I'm letting you guys know. I'm gonna let you all know when I enter my position, my like a big position in BTC to catch the low, like we did back here, right around 60,000. We nailed the low, right? I saw the large buy signal come in on the 4 hour time frame, and I was ready to long, right? And I longed, and then the price rallied tremendously, and we went all the way up to 72,000. This was a 20% move, right? Now, just know this was not achieved through panic, FOMO, all this stuff. There's a lot. I'm getting a lot of that from the new members today who are signing up, right? Because I posted my Q1 analysis, or sorry, my Q1 profit loss recap, and it showed a great return. And the great return was not achieved through impatientness, and yeah, we're getting stopped out here and there. There's a lot of chop, right? Look at all these wicks here. It's literally just chopping up traders right now, myself included. I'm getting it chopped up on a few trades. It's difficult, but eventually we're gonna find this low, and I think that we may need one more flush down, and maybe even take out this pivot at 60,000. I think that there's a level down here. Right around 58,000, 59,000. I think that we could get down to and then hit all those stops and then reverse out. The Bitcoin halving's coming out. Maybe that's going to be the volatile event that we need for Bitcoin to get one flush lower. But could the bottom be in? Yes. I mean, you look at all this. Excuse me. Look at all this significant buying that we're getting here. But just know that now it looks like we've broken support, right? Looks like we've broken support, and we're retesting it as resistance, which is not good. Because if this is the case, that means we're going to get a little bit more downside before we actually find our low and start to rally out of here, right? So I'm not good and ready just yet to enter my big long. And I will let all the members know this is not just a members video. This is a free analysis for everyone as well, right? I'm trying to give my opinion and what I'm getting a feeling from the new premium members that are signing up. We're gonna nail these trades, but you got to be patient. I know there's probably a lot of new guys who are new to trading. Just take it easy, relax. I know you're eager to make your monthly membership fee back in one single trade, and trust me, it's possible. You can do it, right? If you're following me with the same account size, it'll be done in no time. There's a lot of old members who've been here with me for months on. They've all said, you just got to be patient and relax. And when the trades come, you take them. Well, someone's account went from 3,500 to 4,500 in one single week. Maybe he was utilizing a little bit more leverage than me, but his gains are right on, point on. So good for you, my man. Whoever's inside my Discord, forget his name. I don't want to release his information to the public. But yeah, good for you. But let's continue on, and I'll give you guys a little bit of some more thoughts that I have on here on Bitcoin. So it's everything's going quite well so far. When we look at the daily RSI, it looks like there could be some more downside coming here. Maybe we will get down to the 58, 57 range and invalidate this box that I have right here, right? So if we do that, I won't be too surprised, but I will be ready to buy right around this area, these lows. Some people are saying that we could go down to the 52,350 level. Yeah, that's also possible. That's also very possible. But that would be a big flush down. There would need, in my opinion, to be a big capitulation event in the equity market as well. And it could happen. Look at the retrace that we've gotten, and looks like a lot of people are starting to panic. The VIX is spiking. Inflation's going up. The rates aren't going down. There's lots of problems in the equity market. So it's possible that Bitcoin could get this flush down that everyone's talking about, or at least some members are talking about. I won't discount it, but that's why we take these trades and we have stops, right? So if we take these trades at 58, 57, and then the price goes lower and we get stopped out, then you move on. That's why we have stops, right? You don't just ride it to liquidation. Yeah, that's basically it. Another thing that I want to mention as well is you want to use these two indicators that I use, right? If you're not looking at the charts yourself, that's what the whole Discord is all about. It's all not just about following the trades that I post, but it's also about learning for yourself and getting to know how I trade, right? I use Market Cipher and Wave Edge, and I use it with Elliott Wave as well. So it's really a great way, in my opinion, to trade. To me, it shows a great success rate and the profitability over time. It's not like I win every single trade. If you guys look at my profit and loss history on Crypto Mickey, I only win 6 out of 10 trades that I take. But on the 6 wins that we take, it overwhelms the 4 losses. So that's the whole thing about trading. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Hopefully this was an informative video and you got some good out of it. I still think that we may get some more downside in Bitcoin, but I won't discount a potential low being in, given how much buying is coming in on the 4-hour. I don't really like how we broke these previous lows here at 61,700 and are now retesting it as resistance. I think that's a little bit bearish. And if we don't retake these levels soon, I think we may have another dump on our hands coming soon. All right, so that's basically it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys enjoyed it, feel free to like and subscribe. And remember, my service is available 50% off right now. The price is going to go up once Bitcoin makes a new all-time high. It could be soon, it might be in months, who knows, but I wouldn't wait on it. So lock in that low rate while we still have it. Have a wonderful day, guys, and peace.